Scotty said, "Hey, you got to come over here and check this shit out." So
Check this shit out, motherfucker.
all right, what we got?
Okay, so we tried. I already threw the container out. The Rust-Oleum's Evapor-Rust, their version of Rust, whatever.
Something. Yeah.
Okay, so now we all know how bad this was. Now some of this has only been in here just a few minutes. I mean, literally just a few minutes.
Wow, it looks better already.
It's better. Now,
Show me that bolt you walked over and showed me. That was totally rusty crusty. Hey, look.
that's been in there maybe, I kid you not, maybe 15 minutes.
Wow. It's getting a
And
bath.
it's
Looks good.
compared to, this
Yeah.
is all parts from the T-Bird. Let's see what else we got.
Well,
Oh, there we go.
Because it's a T-Bird video, so I hope it's from the T-Bird.
I mean, just,
Beautiful.
yeah, this stuff's amazing.
Glad we're making use of the dog food container that we don't need anymore. Wow! That looks better already, too.
Yeah.
Is that the one I chased the threads on?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, that was a little funktastic. Alright, put them back in the marinade.
Holy shit.
Look at that. 1950s hardware. Almost brand new.
Better, not perfect better, but, you know, some of
Getting
it's really, really bad, so, and still covered in grease. Some of this just needs to go over and take a bath in, oh God.
The seals.
Well, that's not gonna make a real big difference, but let me dirty a screwdriver real quick. Ready?
Ooh, yucky. Scotty with the yuck.
That's, I mean, I don't get it, I just don't.
Wow. What are you gonna marinate in your purple power bath over here?
Well, some of this stuff just isn't, it's not going to get rusty because it's still covered with grease. So we'll do some of the lighter stuff that needs to be.
Little purple power bath.
Yeah, of course, of course.
And maybe a little purple power with a brush. Ooh, that's looking better already. Yeah, marinate that and put it back in the Evapor.
We'll definitely have to put more in there so that some of this stuff can really... Now,
Yeah. Spindle. Nasty. But better already.
oh my God, look, dude, look at these bolts. They're just,
They were rust. They
Yeah.
were absolute rust earlier.
yeah. And those are still there, so,
Yeah, they're good. I mean, they were brown.
yeah. All right, so let's do this.
You know, degrease them.
Yeah.
Put them on the marinade again. Marinade.
Yeah, I'm just trying to save this guy as much money as, because, I mean, the nuts are still good.
Everything's
you know, that's
fine,
not a big
yeah.
deal.
No, it's. You know,
can't
but
get
if we
over
have to
that.
order onesie twosies, yeah, look at that.
I mean, I
That was
can't, I cannot
that
go with
was
that.
that was brownish orange.
Yeah.
Like 20 minutes ago. Before lunch, that was brownish orange.
Oh, wait,
What?
wait, more. I've got to throw a whole bunch of stuff in here.
Scotty, lunch was good.
Look at this.
Because we got a sandwich and pie and then a nap. Like a quick little
That was
15.
black, remember?
Yeah, that was nasty.
Well, I'm definitely giving major props to
Rust-Oleum's
Rust-Oleum's
rust remover stuff.
Yeah. I mean, just amazing.
Oh, my invoice is right there. Maybe I should look at it. That smells lovely though.
Look at this.
It's way better.
And I'm astonished. I truly am.
I like it when Scotty's astonished. That means he's surprised with a college education. Nothing?
Well, see, I'm lucky.
Nothing but the backside of your balding ass head.
I don't have the burden of formal education. I learned under a tree back in the holla.
You're in the hollow?
Holla.
Oh, you splattered me with your stuff all
you
over
okay?
all over my face.
You're right. It might burn a little bit because I know my arm's
You
burning.
splattered. Your stuff on my face burns, Scotty.
Well, you know gay people. We make train crashes, hurricanes, tornadoes, and bad bar mitzvahs.
It's obviously not holy water.
Thank God.
It's unholy water.
Yeah, right?
That's probably more
How
fun.
can you tell if you've got a gay? Poke him with a pin. If they...
Oh, God. Splatter your unholy water on me. Just put more oomph in your... More
Yeah,
shit
that
in-
shit does burn. Damn.
You gonna put more shit in there?
I want to see something.
Ooh, do a... Ooh, I like your idea. Come back.
Let that sit for a little bit while I do some more work.
Hey,
But yeah, if this stuff does half this good...
You should come back in half an hour and check on that.
Yeah, I think we need to... I do. I
Before
think we
and
need to
after
get some more.
follow-up video?
Yep.
Yeah, well, to fill that's going to cost me like $300, so guess what?
Yeah, no.
Yeah, not happening, Scotty. Sorry.
Well, you know, hey, dreams and delusions. Hey, so I'm going to put that drum on backwards.
No, you did that on purpose.
Yeah, so I can have a cleaner area underneath the car, which is not helping because I'm still scraping.
Let's go see what we got over here while we're at it. It's just nice to see this set off. Oh, hey. Shit everywhere. Wow, it's way better.
Yeah.
Remember earlier today?
Well, it's taking all day because I got to scrape everything off to find the nuts and bolts.
You literally have to scrape through 4 inches of shit to get to what you need.
Yeah, to
Like,
find
this
1
is-
inch of shit.
This is terrible.
Yeah, because I'll pull this
Talk about most
next.
of the chicks that had to date me. They're like, they had to go digging
well,
to find
I mean-
a couple inches.
No, that's because they just got to weed whack you to find it.
Yeah.
Fucking goddamn chia pet.
God. Anyway, all right.
So I'll pull all of this again
Let's get it apart.
because now
Oh, look. It's off. You move it and shit falls over. That's lovely.
the nut on the ball joint
Yeah.
is turning the ball joint with the nut.
So what we're going to do is get this off and then wedge the pickle fork under it.
Yep, to
and
give us
crank
some
it.
pressure. Yep.
Yeah. You got this one loose already up here?
Oh yeah, that one. This one will drop right now.
Nice. All right. We're getting on 7 minutes here. Look at this.
So then I will lower the car back on the jack like I did last time. Undo the 9/16 for the center. Drop the lower arm, pull the spring, and then pull the upper.
On it. Keep digging.